Welcome, in front of me I have JBL Go 3, the wireless speaker, and today I will show you how you can make the soft reset of this device. It's very simple and quick video. So when it's turned on and you have some kind of the connection problem or the sound problem, you have to tap on the power button to turn it off, then press it another time to turn it on. Let's make it. And right now, if you still got the same problems and the soft reset doesn't help you, you have to perform the hard reset. So to make it, you have to press the volume up button and the Bluetooth button for a few seconds. So let's make it. Click and hold at the same time and keep holding for like 10 seconds until this indicator just turns off. And as you can see, that's how we can make it. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. See ya!